Hello everyone, welcome to VIệu speaking test today. Let's begin. Hello.
Hello teacher.
What's your name?
My name is Nancy.
Nancy, how do you spell your name?
Nancy.
Okay, Nancy, what is your favorite wild animal?
My favorite wild animal is cheetah.
Cheetah, you like cheetahs?
Yeah.
And which animal moves more quickly? A giraffe or a tiger?
The tiger moves more quickly than giraffe.
Good job. And what should you do when you have a cold?
I should drink liquid.
Oh, you drink liquids. And let's find some differences in the two pictures here.
In the picture, I see the plate. But in picture B, I see a bird.
Good. What else?
In the picture A, the rainbow has a 7 color.
7.
But in picture B, the rainbow has a 6 color.
Yes, it has 6 colors. Good job. Okay, let's add one different now. Okay, this one.
No.
I mean this one.
Picture 3 is different because picture 1, picture 2, and picture 4 are animal. Picture 3, what's that?
It's a plant.
It's a plant.
Yes, it's a plant and it's different, right? Okay, what about this one?
Picture 4 is different because 1, 2, and 3 are food. Picture 4 is animal.
Yes, they are fruits. Okay, finally, let's talk about the animals on safari. So, what is your favorite wild animal again?
It's cheetah.
Okay, you like cheetah.
Yeah.
And what animals can you see on safari?
Lion, giraffe, and crocodile.
Oh, crocodiles also. And let's tell me why do you like cheetah?
Cheetah move more quickly than a giraffe.
Oh, moves more quickly. And so, which animals move more slowly? A turtle or a lion?
The turtle moves more slowly than a
lion?
Yes.
Okay. So which animal move more silently? A rabbit or a hippo?
A rabbit moves silently than a hippo.
Okay, it moves more silently than a hippo. Thank you. That is the end of our test.